Avocados look simple: a green fruit, a creamy texture, a symbol of health, wellness, and modern food culture. But behind every avocado lies one of the most complex, controversial, and powerful agricultural industries on Earth, built on biology, water, engineering, economics, and geopolitics. The story begins in the orchards. Across Mexico, Peru, Chile, Spain, and California, millions of avocado trees grow in climates shaped by sun, altitude, and volcanic soil. Some orchards are small family farms. Others are industrial plantations stretching across entire valleys. The land matters because the flavor, fat content, and texture of an avocado begin with the soil and the water. Avocado cultivation. Avocados are thirsty. A single tree can consume up to 70 liters of water per day during peak season. In regions like Michoacán, the world's largest producer, water scarcity shapes the entire industry. Irrigation systems, wells, reservoirs, and drip technology keep trees alive through dry seasons. But water also creates conflict between farmers, communities, and sometimes criminal groups. Harvesting begins when the fruit reaches the perfect oil content. Workers climb ladders or use long poles to cut avocados by hand. In industrial farms, mechanical platforms lift crews into the canopy. Timing is everything. Harvest too early, and the fruit won't ripen properly. Harvest too late, and the texture becomes mushy. Once picked, the avocados enter the post-harvest chain, a system of engineering and logistics designed to control ripening. First, the fruit is sorted by size, weight, and appearance. Machines scan each avocado with lasers and cameras. Defects are detected automatically. Only the best fruit moves forward. Then comes hydro-cooling, rapid cooling that slows ripening and preserves freshness. Temperature is the key to controlling the entire industry. Too warm, and the fruit ripens before reaching the market. Too cold, and the flesh turns brown. Next, avocados enter packing houses. Here, conveyor belts move thousands of fruits through washing, brushing, drying, and labeling. Boxes are filled with millimeter precision. Each box carries a code that identifies the farm, the batch, and the export destination. Food packing. And then, the global journey begins. Avocados travel in refrigerated trucks to ports and airports. Cargo ships carry containers across oceans. Planes deliver premium fruit to markets that demand speed. Temperature is monitored every minute. Humidity is controlled. Ripening is delayed until the fruit reaches distribution centers. In Europe, the Netherlands is the main gateway. In Asia, China's demand is rising fast. In the United States, California and Mexico dominate supply. Supermarkets receive fruit that is still hard, intentionally, so it can ripen on shelves or in specialized rooms. But behind the efficiency lies a darker side. In some regions, the avocado industry has attracted organized crime. Criminal groups extort farmers, control water sources, and tax shipments. The green gold economy has created tension and violence in areas where avocados are more profitable than traditional crops. Avocado geopolitics. Meanwhile, environmental pressure grows. Deforestation for avocado orchards affects biodiversity. Water extraction impacts rivers and aquifers. Scientists and governments work to regulate production, promote sustainable farming, and protect ecosystems. Yet the industry continues to expand. Because avocados are profitable. Because global demand keeps rising. Because consumers want healthy fats, creamy textures, and Instagram-friendly food. Behind the scenes, the avocado industry is a global economic engine. It supports farmers, packers, exporters, shipping companies, supermarkets, and restaurants. It shapes agricultural policy. It influences land use. It connects rural communities to global markets. And then comes the science, the part most people never think about. Avocados ripen through ethylene, a natural plant hormone. Ripening rooms inject controlled amounts of ethylene to soften the fruit at the perfect moment. This is why avocados in supermarkets ripen evenly, why they feel soft after 2 days, why they don't spoil too quickly. Finally, the avocado reaches the consumer. A kitchen in Madrid, a cafe in New York, a sushi bar in Tokyo, a taco stand in Mexico City, a salad bowl in Sydney. The journey is complete. From tree to fruit, from orchard to packing house, from container ship to supermarket, from the Americas to the world. But behind every avocado, there is a system built on agriculture, water, engineering, economics, and global trade. A system that has turned a simple fruit into a symbol of modern food culture. Because avocados are not just grown, they're engineered, they're exported, they're protected, they're fought over. They're a story of science and power woven together, and every bite carries that story.